Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD has had some mixed performance since the tariffs announcement, although overall it's been marginally stronger, except against the safe havens like the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. There's no real divergence in effects as the market continues to price in more and more cuts for all the central banks. At the moment, the market is more driven by the risk of sentiment amid the recessionary fears. Traders are now fully pricing 5 rate cuts for the Fed by year end, with 60% chance of a 25 bps cut at the upcoming FOMC meeting, despite Fetcher Powell saying that they are not in a hurry to cut rates. On the JPY side, the currency has been driven mainly by global events rather than domestic fundamentals. The global stock market sell-off and the growth fears made the market to scale back rate hikes expectations, with the BOJ now seen on hold for the rest of the year. The Japanese yen continues to remain supported amid the risk of flows as the carry trades get unwound. Now on the daily chart, we can see that USD JPY is consolidating around the lows. The sellers will likely continue to pile in around these levels with a defined risk above the 146.60 level to keep pushing into the 140 handle. The buyers, on the other hand, will want to see the price rising back above the 146.60 level to start targeting the 148.60 level next. On the 4-hour chart, we can see more clearly the recent price action with the fake out above the 146.60 level last Friday that was quickly reversed as the pair gapped lower at the open today. The price action remains range bound between the 145.18 support and the 146.60 resistance. The market participants will look for a break on either side to pile in with more conviction and extend the moves. On the 1-hour chart, there's not much else we can add here, as the buyers will look for a break above the 146.60 level, while the sellers will target a break below the 145.18 level. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalyst, this week is going to be all about tariffs news ahead of the April 9 deadline, so the data won't matter much. Nevertheless, we will get a couple of notable data releases. On Thursday, we get the US CPI report and the latest US jobless claims figures, while on Friday, we conclude the week with the US PPI and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey.